In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the text line spacing, also known as leading, in Microsoft PowerPoint. Mastering this feature can enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your presentations. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure you're in PowerPoint for the web. This is the online version of PowerPoint and you can access it through any web browser with an internet connection. Once there, the initial step involves signing in. So if you haven't already, look for the sign in button. This is typically found in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one to proceed. Signing in ensures that your work is saved and easily accessible from anywhere. Next, once signed in, you'll be directed to PowerPoint Home. This is your dashboard where all your presentations are displayed. From here, select the presentation you'd like to work on by simply clicking on it. If your presentation isn't immediately visible, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it by name. After clicking on the desired presentation, it will open for you to edit. Now, let's focus on the text you want to adjust the line spacing for. Click on the text box or text area you wish to modify. You should see the text cursor appear, indicating that the text is ready for editing. At this moment, to access further text formatting options, right-click on your highlighted text. A context menu will pop up with several options. From the context menu, you'll want to look for and click on Paragraph Options. This selection will open a new dialog box or pane on your screen, featuring a variety of settings specific to text formatting. Among these, you'll find the line spacing settings. This is where you can make the adjustments to your text's leading. You'll see options like single spacing, 1.5 lines, double spacing, and more custom options. Selecting the right line spacing is often about preference and purpose. Double line spacing can make the text more readable, while tighter spacing might be better for fitting more text into a slide. As you experiment, see how the changes affect the overall look of your presentation. If your presentation is text heavy, adjusting the line spacing can greatly improve its clarity and reader engagement. Remember, you can always revert back if the changes don't meet your expectations by repeating these steps and selecting a different spacing. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now expertly adjust the line spacing in PowerPoint, enhancing both the readability and professionalism of your presentations. Don't forget to save your work, ensuring that all your adjustments are preserved for your next big presentation. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.